Welcome back to part 4 of the half pipe build video. This Easter weekend we grinded hard. We got the half pipe pretty much done. It's almost skatable. We just need coping, landings. I wasn't too informative on the building process, but what we did in this video is we put all the quarter pipes together, we screwed everything together, laid down the ply, and it's pretty much built. I had help, and while I had the help, I had to get as much done as I could. So there's a lot of time lapses in this video, but it's pretty much done. This is the video where everything's gonna start coming together. We got our marks on centers on 8, and they're all drilled, and now we just got to put them together like the ones out in the camo tent that I didn't show you guys yet. Okay, we got 2 quarter pipes in here. We need 2 more, and we got our bases, and we're all ready to start building shit. Shit is coming together. Half done. Fuck.
So here I am, growing older all the time, looking older all the time, feeling younger in my mind. And here I am, doing everything I can, holding on to what I am, pretending I'm a Superman. My mind is racing faster every minute.
Fuck yeah, look at this. This is sick. Just need ply.
What could I do more? Yeah, I'm really not sure. I know I'm running circles, but I can't quit. Confused about what to do. Sometimes I wanna throw it all away, controlling everything in sight. Feeling weak, I don't feel right. You're telling me I have to change, telling me to act my age. But if all that I can do is just sit and watch time go, then I'll have to say goodbye. Life's too short to watch it fly, so watch it fly.
Oh yeah, bud. Day fucking 2 of Easter weekend. Oh yeah. The daily grind on the half pipe.
What up, y'all? Yeah, soundtrack, what's poppin', baby? Woo! Y'all ain't know, I go by the name of Lupe Fiasco, representing that 1st and 15. Yeah, and this one right here, I dedicate this one right here to all my homies out there grinding. You know what I'm saying? Legally and illegally. You know what I'm talking about? So, check it out. First got it when he was 6, didn't know any tricks. Matter of fact, first time he got on it, he slipped, landed on his hip and busted his lip. For a week he had to talk with a lisp like this. Now we can end the story right here, but shorty didn't quit, it was something in the air. Yeah, he said it was something so appealing, he couldn't fight the feeling, something about it. He knew he couldn't doubt it, couldn't understand it, branded since the first kick flip he landed. Labeled a misfit, a bandit, cocoon, cocoon, cocoon. His neighbors couldn't stand it, so he was banished to the park. Started in the morning, one stopped after dark. Yeah, when they said it's getting late in here, so I'm sorry young man, there's no skating here. So we kick, push, kick, push, kick, push, kick, push, coast. And away he rolled, just a rebel to the world with no place to go. And so we kick, push, kick, push, kick, push, kick, push, coast. So come and skate with me, just a rebel looking for a place to be. So let's and push and coast.
Now that's a view. Almost done. Just need coping, need the back, need Buddy to come through with the top layer, and we're already kind of skating, but we need the coping in the back to actually skate it. So this is the breakdown of the video that you just watched and the information on how to actually build it. I'm going to go through and show you what to do. In the last two videos, we cut and painted the transitions. In this video, this is us putting it together. So I recommend, if you're doing it by yourself, you want to pre-drill these holes. You want to have the screws sticking in the hole, preload all the holes, and then you can take your 2x4 and kind of jam it against that screw, and that way you're able to get both ends without the help of a second person. Luckily, I had the help of the neighbor, so I didn't have to do that for all of them, but I did have to do that for some. When you're screwing in your 2x4 to your two transition pieces, you want to make sure that the top of your transition is flush with the top of the 2x4. That way you get the proper radius of the wood and you get the proper shape of your half pipe. When it comes to your plywood here, as you can see, I did 3 sheets of ply. Your typical sheet of plywood is 4x8. What we did, and I'll tell you why we did this. So we did 3/4 inch ply, 3 sheets in the middle, and then on the sides we did 2 layers of 3/8 ply. 2 3/8 sheets make a 3/4. The reason why we did 3/8 sheets on the side is because it's easier to bend. You're gonna need the help of a second person when you do this, because you're gonna need someone to stand on it as you're screwing up. Yeah, if you don't have a second person, well, good luck. So as you can see, we're not done yet. We still have to put the coping on in the 2 landings. That'll probably be our next video. And we're gonna get some skate blend material so that this is a completely smooth transition. But before I do that, I want to seal this with Thompson's water sealer. So it's pretty much waterproof. But first we gotta clean this off because it's dirty as fuck. Also, I wanna skate it a few times before we seal it, because I think Thompson's takes like a day or 2 to dry. So I'm gonna get a good skate session before I put the Thompsons on. Water me!
Stop.
fucking trip me out, bro.
Get your shitty feet off my board.